I am so excited to share more information with you about this new survey application. In fact, it is an application, a new software that our team created from scratch. Yes, it's not a generic SurveyMonkey or Google Forms. It is absolutely owned by us, and it's not just a one-time thing. This is a software that we can use in the future. It's a service we could offer if we want to. Absolutely happy and proud of the team. So we own it, and it means we will have more engagement with the field and constantly kind of take and publish those surveys. So we can always have a good pulse of what's happening and what people are thinking. So this is the first thing. Secondly, it is only going to work, these are the criteria for how it works. It's only going to work from inside the ecosystem, meaning for members only, while they're logged in. So if somebody copies the link and goes elsewhere, it's not going to work. You have to be logged in. And your account is going to hold your answers. But anytime you can come and change them on the fly, and in real time we get the results. It's posting constantly. So it's very simple. You got to be logged in and only works from your account, and that or those answers are unique to each account. And you can update until we take it down. It's that simple. All right, we're gonna have fun with it. If people have a hard time to understand the language, they could use the Google translation, what do you call that, plugin at the top. And let's see how it goes. Thank you so much for your participation.